Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning Open Source LLMs. Customizing Your Own AI Brain. Hello developers and future AI creators. Ever wished you could have an AI that understands your world, speaks your language, and knows your specific business inside out? Today, we're diving into fine-tuning open source LLMs, which is really just fancy talk for customizing your own AI brain. Think of it as giving a general-purpose super smart assistant a very specialized degree in your field. An LLM, or large language model, is like a highly skilled digital apprentice trained by reading almost the entire internet. It can write stories, answer questions, and even help you code. But here's the catch. It's a generalist. It knows a little about everything. Open source LLMs are like blueprints for these apprentices that anyone can access, inspect, and modify, giving us the power to customize. Imagine you need a doctor. A general practitioner is great for common ailments. But if you have a very specific heart condition, you want a heart specialist. LLMs out of the box are like general practitioners. Fine-tuning is the process of taking that general knowledge and giving it an intensive, specialized training course so it becomes an expert in your specific niche, be it legal documents, medical research, or your company's internal tech support. Fine-tuning isn't about teaching an LLM from scratch. That would be like trying to teach a baby everything. Instead, it's like taking an already brilliant college graduate and sending them to a specialized master's program. You provide it with a relatively small amount of your specific data, like example questions and answers, or specialized text, and let it adjust its internal brain connections to better understand and generate content relevant to your domain. It refines its existing knowledge. Why open source? Because it's like getting a powerful, pre-built engine for your custom car. You don't have to build the engine from scratch, saving immense time and resources. Projects like Llama or Mistral, just names, don't worry about the details yet, are open source LLMs that serve as excellent starting points. You get the full blueprint, allowing you to modify, improve, and deploy them without proprietary restrictions. As a developer, here's a high-level look at your role. 1. Pick a base model. Choose an open-source LLM that fits your needs. 2. Gather your data. Collect high-quality, specific examples related to your desired specialization, e.g., 1,000 examples of customer support interactions for a support bot. 3. Prepare your environment. Set up your coding tools, often Python with specific libraries. 4. Run the fine-tuning. Use code to feed your data to the LLM. It's like pressing play on the specialized training program. 5. Test and deploy. Evaluate if your custom AI brain performs as expected and integrate it into your application or service. This is where your AI truly becomes yours. With a fine-tuned LLM, the possibilities are vast. Imagine an AI that provides highly accurate customer support for your unique product line. Generates marketing copy that perfectly matches your brand's specific tone and niche. Acts as a coding assistant for a very specific, obscure programming language or internal framework. Analyzes legal documents with an understanding of your firm's particular precedents. It transforms a general tool into an indispensable, specialized expert for your needs. To begin, explore different open source LLMs and start thinking about what specific data you have or could create. Key considerations. Data quality is king. Your AI brain is only as good as the lessons you give it. Bad data equals a not-so-smart specialist. Computational resources. Fine-tuning requires some computing power, but it's far less than training an LLM from scratch. Ethics and bias. Always be mindful of potential biases in your training data, as your AI will learn and amplify them. Start small, experiment, and enjoy customizing your very own AI brain. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.